Hey out there, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know you can see by that big red box, we're going to take a look at something by Kershaw. And yep, we're going to take a look at the Duojet. Now I got to be honest, when I saw it, I went, okay, got to bring you to the channel. But Kershaw, like it's usually been doing recently, has been putting in propaganda about, this is your brand new knife, let me teach you about it. Okay, moving on. This is the Duojet. I do love that gray coating with the carbon fiber inlays there. There was just something about this blade that said, buy me now. I really like it. It's a great choice if you're starting for affordable everyday carry blades. This one's a really, really good one for you. But alright, let's get into the stats and the fun stuff like we usually do. Now overall it's got a length of about 7.75 inches. The blade is about 3.25 and closed it's about 4.50. It's got a hefty weight to it at about 4.90 ounces, but trust me, after you put it in your pocket and you've been carrying it for a little bit, you ain't even going to realize it's there. Now, it's done in the drop point style. I mean, it's pretty aggressive, but they're calling it a drop point all over the place, with a hollow grind and a plain edge. This whole blade is basically coated in that gray finish with that titanium carbonitrate coating, which is going to help prevent against rust, corrosion, all that fun stuff. The blade steel is an okay budget steel of HCR 13 MOV. Now, I know that steel gets a lot of hatred from some people, but I've never really run into a problem with it. Yeah, you're going to have to sharpen your blade a little bit more than some steels, but that's part of the fun of having that blade, is that time on that stone and just hearing that satisfying, that maybe that's just me. Alright? We do have a stainless steel frame. Now, like I said in the beginning, it does have the dual carbon fiber inlays, which are just beautiful in there. The way it gives you that optical illusion of things moving, oh, just nice. It does have a speed safe open, which actually shocked me for the price point. You can either open it via the flipper, getting it out, the dual thumb studs, breaking a certain angle, or the flipper. I have run into some issues because it's still a little new, just getting her broken in. But still, we do have a frame lock, and it's a one-position pocket clip, which is right-hand carry, tip down. Sorry for you guys to do that. And this is the part that, sorry, I really don't like. If you've got to put a lanyard hole, you don't put it at the bottom of the blade. You put it up towards the top, so when you're pulling it out of your pocket, it's easier to get done. Personal preference. Moving on. This guy is made in China, if you were curious. Alright, let's move on to the cut tests that we love to do here on the channel. Now, we usually do just 3 of them. If you're curious why I do those 3, take a look right up top. This is going to be a card for why I do the cut tests. First one up, heavy-duty stock paper. Oh my god, you hear that sound? Whoo, it just glides right through. Alright, let's get a curly Q. Of course not. Alright, reason why I was trying to go for a curly Q is anybody can just grab a blade and go sharp. But if you take it nice and slow and maintain that edge, assuming that angle, hopefully you're going to get something that looks like that on a much larger scale. That paper's turning back in on itself. That's basically to help show that there's no micro abrasions or chips or pitting or any of that fun stuff that pass through quality control. Huh, interesting. Okay, no real issues there. Alright, let's move on to the Demon Paracord from the Tactical Rope Dispenser. I call it that because it seems like every time I'm trying to do a pull test, I gotta struggle with it. But let's see. Pull test. A little bit of an issue, but not as much as I had a moment ago with a different blade. Whoo, buddy, that one was a bear. Alright, slice test. Yep, no problem. And let's go on to the star of the show. I know, everybody waits for him. He gets more fan mail than I do. Mr. Ratchet Strap. Why do you think I cut him so much? I can just hear Al Borland's voice in the background. I don't think so, Tim. But still, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Well, let's just go for one for the front. Okay, not bad. Alright, as we usually do, checking the blade, all that fun stuff. Now, I did the homework and all the fun stuff on this guy on March 3rd, 2021. It is now March 10th, 2021 when I'm filming this video. I took a look on Amazon, Kershaw, and Blade HQ. On Amazon, it's $30.38. It is Prime 1-day eligible. On Kershaw, this guy's going to run you $51.96. In Blade HQ, it's $31.95. Been reviewed twice on Blade HQ for a 5 out of 5 star rating, 5 times on Kershaw for a 4 1/4 star rating out of 5, and 303 times on Amazon for a 4.7 out of 5 star rating. Like I said, wow, I think I passed up that fun stuff. I don't know, but if I did, we're going to go over that again. After I've just done all that great stuff, we're at the best part of the video. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. I honestly can't remember if I did that. Yeah, I'm old and having a brain fart, so bear with me, okay? It happens on this channel. I also want to know, do you think she's a nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? I need some caffeine. But okay. So like I said in the beginning, I really think it's a great choice if you want a starter everyday carry blade, something you can give as a gift, something along those lines. I don't see myself carrying it that often, but I just like the look of it, so I wanted to bring it into the collection. Okay, now for you first-time viewers of my channel, after you've forgiven me for that big old brain fart that I just had, I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know we do things strange here on the channel, but I'm very, very grateful for the time that you gave me today. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, why don't you leave me a comment right down below what I can do to earn your subscription? You never know what you may say that could change the course of the history of this channel. Now, after all that fun stuff is done, take a look right down here. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at the Kershaw Duojet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a safe day, you're having an incredible day, and we'll see you in the next video.